fast I did this? This is the world's fastest install. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, before we get into my namesake, the wig is named after me. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes from OMGHerHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their brand new KIE Burmese curly Sienna brown unit. Y'all know I reviewed their 360 version of the Burmese curly like a month or so ago, and that was a big hit with y'all, but I asked them to put that curl on a 9x6 3D dome cap and make it a brown. They said, you know what, we got you, and we're gonna name it after you as well. Thank you. So y'all see how the curl is looking? Okay, very clumped, very nice. Just understand, when you wash this wig, it's not gonna be exactly like this after the wash. They actually have instructions on their website to show you how to wash your wig and how to comb it. Comb it in the same direction that the hair is going. Don't try to comb it any other way. If you comb it any other way, the curl's gonna come out janky. The hair needs to be wet. It needs to have product on it to clump it back together, and then let it air dry. If you want to dry it as fast as possible, you can use your diffuser, but do not take the diffuser off. Keep this on, the diffuser. It needs to be wet. It needs to have product. Comb it in the direction of the curl. But y'all know me, I'm not washing it today. Okay, I'm going to put this wig on out the pack because I want to wear this wig immediately. All right, so I'm gonna spray it down with my water, and then I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb. Comb it down like that. Smooth it down. Then I'm gonna take my hair perfume and spray that down because, you know, got that smell in there. We want to get that out. Not get it out, but camouflage that. Okay, you still want to wash your wig though. I know y'all gonna be complaining about how you wish I would have washed my wig. Listen, trying to get the deals just like y'all. So I want to hurry up, okay, please. Now y'all know me, I will do an update on this wig because, you know, it's my wig. For those of y'all who trust my opinion, OMGHerHair is that girl. They give you the looks every time. The cap construction, the lace, the hair texture, the quality, on point. Let me take off my combs on the side because it does have the Velcro combs. Let me leave my comb in the back though. Let's pop her on. Bring it down, all around my head. Scooch it over like so. Take my Nairobi mousse, put it around my hairline so I can swish my hairs a bit, kind of break that up. They sent me a brush, but I already got one out. Might have to cut that. Put my glasses over top the lace and behind the ear. It has that C-shaped ear tab, so it makes it very comfortable around my ear. Look at me, almost done. Let me wrap it down just cause, you know, I have one already. Let me just use the one I already have out. Clip it up. Let me tighten my drawstring down. I don't want to break it like I did my other one. That was traumatic. Tuck the excess. That's how the back is looking. Y'all, we are only 4 minutes in. Now, if I wanted to wear this hair out just like this, guess what I could do? That, but I want to add a little bit more mousse on the hair. Kind of clump that hair back together. That side is good. Oh, it's got a little bit right here though. Again, when you pull the curls apart, they'll look a little more stringy than they did out the pack. I totally forgot to wrap it down. I don't think I need to anymore. Cut these little pieces right here in the front. Shorten those up a bit. Take my blow dryer and my diffuser and blow dry this on cool and high. I am getting some shedding with this. No tangling though. For the last like minute or two, I did turn it up to warm. Bring down my wig a little bit. Hold up. I got a lot of forehead real estate, so I can do this. That's not how I want my edges to look. Kind of this back. Get some, Let me get a little bit of gel just to lay that down. A bit more over here. Take the excess from my foundation brush and just blend that in. I have a little bit of my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color 𝐂𝐾𝐄 on this brush. Just a tad. I don't want a deep contour, so I'm just blending that in. Y'all see how it did that? You put too much on there, it's gonna turn orange. Am I really gonna wear this flat? Golly, my glass is cockeyed. A little powder in my parting space. Rub-a-dub-dub, rub that in. Rub-a-dub-dub, baby Michael in the tub. What was that on? Think Like a Man. And there is the finished look. fast I did this? This is the world's fastest install. This is out the box. Out the box. I told y'all these 3D dome cap drawstring wigs they're perfection. Okay, I literally have no complaints about this wig, and not because it's my namesake, it's just that good. No glue on this wig, tightened down with my drawstring. Now again, if shedding bothers you, you will get shedding with this wig. So, you know, don't get this wig if you don't like shedding, but it's a curly texture. The hair is pretty thick. The color, the lace, the hairline, the bleach knots, the texture, the fit, like it is perfection, y'all. You can do an upside with this wig. You can do a half up, half down. It's all in how you finagle the edges. Even though this is only a 9x6, you still get a good amount of, you know, coverage over here. Do the styles. This is a winner chicken dinner or turkey, you know, whatever you're eating tomorrow. But yeah, this is a look. Speaking of looks, let me check out that price. For my specs, this wig is $258.30. And this is the 22-inch. So if you don't need this much hair, this is too long for you. Y'all know my sweet spot is around that 18-inch. So, you know, just saying, if this is too much hair for you, they have a 150 as well. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your pockets. I'm just going to say, you know, if you get her, fill in the blanks. Shout out one more time to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.